Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us for today's edition of Spotlight Carolina. I'm Tiffany Irvin. Joining me today is Larry Hartley from Strauss Associates, an elder law attorney. Thanks so much for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're actually a board certified elder law attorney, one of the few in the area. What does that mean? What kind of examples do people come to you for help with?
Well, as an elder law attorney, a lot of my clients come to me for assistance with figuring out how to pay the cost of long-term care. And there's only a couple of programs that help people who don't have enough resources to pay for that care. And we're going to talk about those two programs. One of them is available to everybody, which is called Medicaid. And another one is available to certain wartime veterans and their spouses, which is known as Veterans Aid and Attendance Benefits or Improved Pension.
So what got you interested in this field of law?
Well, in college, I spent 3 years living with my grandmother who was a widow. Later, her health declined, and my father took care of her as long as he could, and eventually she actually ended up in a nursing home and on Medicaid herself.
So you actually have personal experience that you've dealt with, and it's probably helps you to understand what your clients are going through.
That's true.
You have a very special seminar coming up next week that I know we want to invite people to.
Yes, we have a seminar coming up right here at the WLOS studios on Wednesday, June 19th. We have a session at 10:15 and another session at 2:15.
Yeah, and it's a free seminar, but of course seating is limited, so we do want folks to call and reserve a space. But you're going to be talking about a lot of the topics that we just mentioned. You mentioned long-term care. I would imagine with the prevalence of Alzheimer's now, that's probably an issue you get asked about a lot.
That's a huge a topic that we talk about all the time in my practice. As people age, they become targets to predators and scams, and we want to try to help protect people. We want to make sure that they have proper documentation in place while they're competent and able to do so. So we help people with their wills, their trusts, powers of attorney. We help people settle estates after death as well.
It sounds very complicated, but you make it sound so much easier because you're so well versed in it. So again, we want to invite people to come on Wednesday. Again, what time are those seminars, Larry?
It's at 10:15 a.m. and 2:15 p.m. And last month our sessions did fill up, so if they want to make an appointment, they do need to call as soon as possible.
That's right. They can call us at 828-210-0509. Of course, more information also available on your website, which is strausslaw.com. And Larry, we appreciate you being here and look forward to folks getting their answers from you Wednesday night.
Thank you, Tiffany.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us again today for another edition of Spotlight Carolina. I'm Tiffany Irvin, and we'll see you again tomorrow.